Welcome back on my channel. Today we're gonna change the brake pads on a disc brake. In many cases you have to remove your calipers. This is kept with 2 bolts. Once your caliper is removed, you have to unscrew these 2 sliding pins that keep the brake pad on the caliper. Pay attention to your brake hose. Don't pull or turn too much. You could damage it. As you see, once you move your sliding pin, the brake pad falls down. They are pretty used. Take your new brake pads. You see the difference in depth? This 2 brake pad has a depth. This depth is gonna increase because we are gonna mount 2 new brake pads that of course has more material. So you have to push the piston back. Since we push back the piston, we will also push back the oil to the reservoir. Open it and place a towel to absorb any liquid, since the liquid brake is corrosive and will damage the paint. Before push the piston back, it's better to clean it. If you have a compressor, make a quick clean to the caliper, then use a brake cleaner. Clean well the inner part of the caliper, especially the moving part, for instance the piston. Now, with the used brake pad and a clamp, we push back the piston. The piece of wood is to protect the caliper from scratch. Once the piston brake is full back, we can proceed to the other step. Clean the slide pin and lubricate with a silicone paste or an high temperature grease. Put a little bit of copper grease on the back of the brake pad, it will prevent some noise. Never touch with the hand dirty of grease the brake pad in the part in contact with the disc rotor. Before start to remount everything, consider to put a clean gloves. Then start placing the brake pad on the caliper. Fix the brake pad on the caliper with the sliding pins. Don't let touch the pin on the ground, keep the grease clean. Tighten the sliding pins. Then open the brake pad to allow the caliper to fit in the rotor. The last things before mount the caliper is a well clean of the rotor disc with a brake cleaner. Now you can proceed mounting the caliper. If you correctly push back the brake piston and opening the brake pad, should be easy to enter the caliper into the rotor. Since the brake assembly is subject to vibration, you must use the thread locker on all the screws. It will secure all the screws from unbolting. Always check the video description for all the products I use on all my videos. Check the oil level on the reservoir and add if necessary, then restart the cap. Clean everything, brake oil is acid and will damage the paint, then if it's clean you recognize immediately any leak. The video ends here, thank you for watching. If you are not aware of what you're doing, please don't do that. Go to a professional mechanic. Thumbs up. Ciao!